Hey, what's up guys, Winston here from Funkykit, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the EVGA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti FTW3 Ultra gaming graphics card. Whew, what a tongue twister. The GeForce RTX 3060 Ti uses NVIDIA's latest GPU featuring the Ampere architecture and comes with a total of 4,864 CUDA cores. It operates on a boost frequency of 1800 MHz and supports both PCI 4 and of course ray tracing. It also comes with 8 GB of GDDR6 RAM running at 1.4 GHz on a 256-bit bus, giving you a total bandwidth of 448 GB per second. This graphics card features EVGA's unique ICX3 cooling with 3 fans and an all-metal backplate, as well as a massive heatsink with copper heat pipes. Of course, don't forget the RGB. It has a nice panel, an ARGB panel featuring EVGA's logo. We've already tested the GeForce RTX 3070 from Zotac, and it was an amazing graphics card in terms of performance. So let's see what the GeForce RTX 3060 Ti could do for us. Our initial tests show that the GeForce RTX 3060 Ti can easily outperform the GeForce RTX 2080. So if that's the case, it could be one of the best performing graphics card you can get for the price. Our US editor Chris managed to get his hands on one of these graphics cards and give it a good test. You can check out the full review on our website at funkykit.com. Okay, let's not waste any more time, and we'll do a quick unboxing. We'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's start with a quick unboxing of the EVGA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti FTW3 Ultra gaming graphics card. Alright, let's see what's inside. Okay. Comes in a blister pack, and you can see the card itself with 3 fans. Alright, here we have the installation guide. It's just a little leaflet there. Doesn't come with any power cables or any adapters. Alright, let's have a look at the card itself. Okay, here we go. It's pretty hefty with the large heatsink and fan. Check out the back plate with some holes, some nice cooling. Let's take a close look. You've got to peel this off. It's very nice. Let's peel the bottom part. Let's peel the top part off. Okay, now the I/O part. And the back plate. There's your 3 fans and the ICX3 cooling with the 3 fans. You can see the large heatsink as well as the heat pipes. There's your heat pipes. We have a total of 5 heat pipes to give you that extra cooling, and here's your 3 fans. It's all part of the ICX3 cooling solution from EVGA. The card comes with 3 display port and 1 HDMI. The performance of the EVGA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti Ultra really starts to shine and outrun the previous generation of RTX 20 cards when it comes to ray tracing. The ICX3 cooler is very good indeed, and was able to keep the card underneath the Founders Edition temperatures, reaching a high of 72 degrees even when pushing the card to the limits. The new cooler design comes with a backplate that allows some of the air to pass through. The backplate also looks pretty decent too. The EVGA 3060 Ti Ultra would be a great choice for anyone looking into 1440 or 4K gaming with less details enabled. When it comes to overclocking, I was able to overclock the card to 2085 MHz, which is pretty good, and it's more than I expected. the EVGA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti FTW3 Ultra will be a great choice for anyone wanting to break into the new generation of Ampere cards. In all of our tests, the GeForce RTX 3060 Ultra can easily beat the GeForce RTX 2080 Super, which makes this card one of the best performing graphics card you can get for your money. It's currently retailing around about $450 at the EVGA store. You can check out the full review at Funkykit.com. And there you have it. That was a quick unboxing of the EVGA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti FTW3 Ultra gaming graphics card. It offers amazing performance for the price and could easily beat the GeForce RTX 2080 Super. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course watch out for the scalpers. If you want more content like this, don't forget to visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.